gotta be kidding me. Fuck it. Do you have like a grenade I could just walk up to him and just like... Okay. I'll just go distract the hell out of him then.
Glue! I need glue! You're gonna need lots of glue!
You've just been bludgeoned to death.
Oh, yes, sir.
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you aiming at me, man? What are you doing? Messing with the rock. You've been bludgeoned to death. You're dead.
We'll be back about 10 minutes. Hey, that's a technical.
Bludgeoned to death. Bludgeoned to death. Howdy.
What the fuck are you doing?
Being cool as fuck.
What?
Howdy. You've just been bludgeoned to death.
Huh?
You've just been bludgeoned to death. Sorry.
Well, you're saying.
You've just been bludgeoned to death. Good sir.
Oh, nice. Are you civilian?
Me?
Yeah.
No? There's no way this is going to keep working. How's the Black Ops going? Cool. Yeah, I took a little nap.
Started shooting people.
Yeah. You've just been bludgeoned to death by this rock. So,
Oh, yeah.
take care. Good afternoon, sir. You've just been bludgeoned to death by this rock. Oh, shit. Ow. Ow. You've just been bludgeoned to death by this rock. Take care. Good afternoon.
Hello.
You've just been bludgeoned to death by this rock. So, take care, man. I just walked up to. Are you still in?
I'm dead.
Okay.
You gotta finish me off.
I'm sorry. That was the stupidest.
I found the crown of
Theta Events
in the gutter, he said, and I picked it up.